Air ducts contaminated with allergens can seriously mess with your indoor air quality and make allergies way worse, so it's crucial to tackle this head-on. Okay, so first off, swapping out your regular filters for HEPA filters is a game changer because they catch way more tiny particles like pollen, dust mites, and pet dander. You want to change those filters every 3 months, no joke, so they don't get clogged and stop working. If you're really trying to keep your air fresh, think about adding an air purification system to your HVAC. It's like giving your whole house a deep clean without lifting a finger. Keep your vents clean too. Wipe them down once in a while. It sounds simple but works. Make sure to vacuum with a HEPA filter vacuum cleaner to suck up allergens from carpets and floors, so they don't just keep recirculating. Running your HVAC fan on the on setting instead of auto helps circulate and filter air constantly, which can reduce allergens floating around. Also, keep humidity levels in check with a dehumidifier because mold loves damp air and can sneak into your ducts. Finally, if you notice persistent allergy symptoms or dust buildup, it might be time to call in a pro for duct cleaning to get rid of the gunk you can't see. One of the biggest mistakes people make is ignoring their air filters or using cheap ones that don't trap allergens well. Fix this by always choosing HEPA filters and changing them regularly. Another common slip-up is not cleaning vents and ducts, which lets allergens build up and spread through the house. Scheduling professional duct cleaning or doing regular maintenance can really help. Also, lots of folks forget to control humidity or don't run their HVAC fan enough, creating perfect conditions for mold and dust mites. Using a dehumidifier and running your fan consistently keeps allergens at bay. BigHomeProjects.com is super helpful for homeowners because it connects you with trusted local contractors who know their stuff about air duct cleaning and HVAC upgrades. For contractors, it's a solid way to get more work by reaching people who actually need these important home services.